What up, YouTube or random checking in, gang? So now I'm about to close this box up. I got that same sealer that I use around them windows on the back. The same stuff. This here little glue right here. This here little glue. But anyway, before I seal it up, I wanted to test that blower motor. I got me some pigtails right here. So let me put y'all on a stand right quick so we can see what this thing doing, gang. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, because we coming with it. We ain't letting up. All 2024, baby. So connect my ground, connect my power. I tied the power wire so I can know which one. This one here. And I had grinded a good contact down too, so I can make sure we Gucci. I'm gonna just hit it on there and make sure she coming on. Like I said before I close it all up. Roger that. Roger that. All right, y'all. Y'all see. Yeah, we got that blower running. So next, gonna be to clean up on the box and try to get this thing sealed back up. Y'all tune in, baby. We about to get some AC in this thing. You hear me? None of this shit hard. You just gotta want to do it. That's the main thing. You gotta want to. And if you don't want to, which you really do, you gotta have a purpose to want to do it. Maybe because of the bread, maybe to save some money, maybe because you ain't riding, or maybe because you need to pay bills. I do this shit for fun, me. But it's time to turn up and do this shit for the money and make it official. Cause I don't need to prove nothing else, cause I done a lot that y'all niggas ain't even doing. You scared to even do some shit. But I ain't gonna get into that. I'm just talking my shit. Everybody like to talk this shit every once in a while, huh? And I just popped my first one open. I'm just saying though, you know, get out the mud. It's easy to pull a motor and throw some junkyard shit together. That's easy to do. But we ain't gonna get too deep into it. You know who you is. You know exactly who you are. And I'm not feeling it. So let me finish doing this here. I'm gonna holler at you when we done, baby. Put me some on this here back end. Put me some up on that back end. Call me Mr. Back End. Huh? That's what they call me, baby. They call me Mr. Back End. I probably should have vacuumed it out first, but F it, it's part of the process. Part of the process, baby. Part of the process, baby. It's all gravy. You hear me? Let me put this here, little daddy. Put the little daddy right there, yep. Put that little daddy right there. I gotta run, let me see, gang. I gotta run a little bit around there too, huh? Yeah, I'm about to seal the whole thing up. We gonna make sure the baby blow. Yeah, yeah. We about to go, yeah, yeah. So y'all see how it's going, man. I don't want to keep boring y'all. I'll holler at you when it's done. All right, gang. We got everything hooked up. Ground, power, high relay switch. See, we grounded. High relay power. I just got it wired in right now. I'm gonna tuck it through that radiator support. The only thing I don't have hooked up is the compressor, because I probably put a high pressure switch in between that. But let's see what we got, gang. Let's see what we got, baby. Matter of fact, hold up. Because I had pulled that radiator forward to try to start tucking it. Not already. Goddamn. You ran the goddamn battery down, baby. As y'all see it though. Check them out. I might just have to tighten up that battery, so. Might not be making good contact. Tighten them up a little bit. Alright, let's see if we got anything now. See that off. I ain't unplugged nothing. Did I unplug something? I ain't unplugged nothing. Oh, she dead. Y'all see it though, man. Let's see what we got. It ain't blowing through there because we ain't got no vacuum. We ain't got no vacuum to open our vent. But y'all hear it though. Cut y'all on in a minute, baby. Yeah, yeah. I wanted to show you this right quick. I got me some water. Watch this. You see that? And I just snuck that box up too. Let me look up in here. So we see it's going down now, which I'm pretty sure it's gonna go down, but I think it's seeping right here though. I'm gonna run some silicone across there, but I think they got a drain line or something down here, right? Where the drain line go? I gotta make sure that the drain ain't make sure that drain ain't running straight in the car. Where's the drain? Y'all see he's coming from up there. So I'm definitely gonna silicone that box. I'm about to do that right now because I had just tightened it up. Gang, so see how that ran a little bead of some silicone. Just gonna make sure that nice and smooth. Got a good bit on there too. Might be a little too much, but you'll be all right. Right? Might be a little too much, but you'll be all right, right? Then we could always come back in. Always come back in. Add a little more off. Or we could just paint it, baby. Try to think about that. Try to think about painting it. Get all this shit off my hand. Guys, so I did fix the leak that was leaking in the car. So what I did, I just snuck the box up and I put a bead of silicone on the top side, you see it? So I'm gonna put me another bead to be sure. You also got a drain up in here. See that little flap right there? You gotta make sure he open up. Look. Right here. He's open right now. So the water will run up in there and go straight in the car. I got a water bottle here. I'm gonna fill it up right quick and pour the water in and let y'all see that we ain't getting no water in the car from the AC box. Only other spot water was getting in was around the windows and that back quarter glass. So I might pull that quarter glass out. I really don't want to. Maybe I can pull it out just enough to stick some more Gbody tape up in there. But I'm gonna show you the problem that's on there, why it's leaking. Show you that right quick before we put this water on here. But the reason why that's leaking, you see it's kind of sunken in there a little bit. Leaking right there. Micah, like I say, put more Gbody tape. See these corners are square. This one here kind of look like it got cut or something. So we leaking right there. I'm gonna show y'all we ain't leaking that no more. And you put a little fiberglass. Now look, here go the bottom. Now watch this, look. Before we was able to pull it, look. I'm gonna pull it in the box. Y'all see anything? Look, we're still running, look. Crucial. Nathaniel, baby. So, y'all see what it is, folks. Watch this stuff, big ram light mountain trap, baby. Huh?